it is said, leave the issue of the generals to the generals. Something has happened today which was unexpected. General Muhoozi sent some terrible message to General Peter Elwelu in a tweet on X. General Muhoozi's first statement goes, "There is one fool that I will arrest soon. He is hiding behind my father, but I will capture him. He comes from Teso." So, at the start when I saw this tweet, I thought of, who could this be from Teso? And what could be the reason? Then, after 2 hours, Muhoozi added another one. He wrote Elwelu. I think it's a mother tongue interference for the people who come from Western Uganda. They call Hara as hell, and they call hell as Hara. So instead of writing Elwelu, he wrote Elwelu. Elwelu is a buffoon. He is completely unworthy of our great army. He better run as fast as his small legs can carry him. So, this is what has happened. The Chief of Defense Forces of Uganda has tweeted this. As you can see this clearly, he called Elwelu a fool. He called him a buffoon. Elwelu a fool and a buffoon. And then he said he's hiding behind Museveni. And he told him that he should run as fast as his small legs can carry him. So, for now, we don't know whether Elwelu has really run away. We still don't know whether Elwelu, what wrong Elwelu has committed. But then there's something also coming in from Odonga Otto. If you were wondering, just like I've been wondering, what could have transpired Muhoozi to tweet or attack Elwelu? What could have Elwelu done wrong to Muhoozi? What wrong did Elwelu do to Muhoozi? That's the question on everybody's mind. Now, Dodoth has drawn us closer to something which gives us a picture of what is going on. Via an X post, Odonga said, with Rugaba presidential ambitions and Anita among probably simmering the same in the absence of Kakota Museveni, the center may not hold. Uganda will see many regenerate generals like Elwelu who could have crossed the Niles siding with a tribesmate. Syria, Iraq, loading. Whoa. So, Odonga say he is predicting that regenerate generals like Elwelu could side with the tribesmate. That's Aneta Among. And he said Aneta Among is ambitious of becoming the president of Uganda, just like Muhoozi has already shown his interest. And is comparing our future to Syria and Iraq. So this does not look good, my guys. In this podcast, I have to say that this does not look good. The message that Muhoozi has sent, no, I'm not against that statement. I'm not even supporting it. But one thing I have to be clear is, Uganda is not safe. There's something boiling in the future. When that thing happens, we just request them to open our borders. There are some of us who can run, should run away. Some of us are tired of it, man. We've seen it. We've seen missiles, bullets. Because these are the kind of things that leads to those kind of things. So, meaning there's a time bomb that we are sitting on. Anyway, bye-bye.